Many times it happens that the videos that are available to us are quite big. We want small videos when we teach in the class. Not only that, the videos are in English. Most of the times YouTube videos are in English. And when we are teaching in our own class, in vernacular language, in local language, the students don't understand English and they don't understand the video also. So while teaching, it's a problem. So we want to give our voice over to that video. Not only that, we want some questions to be asked in the class. The video, when it is played, the students will not see it for a long time. We want to ask some questions in between. We want to create a quiz along with a video. How we can do all this? How we can edit the video? How we can give the voiceover? There is one solution to it. It's edpuzzle. So today we will learn how to edit our videos with edpuzzle. Let's begin. You have to go to the website edpuzzle.com. On the home page you get login and sign up. If you have already created an account, you will log in or you will sign up. For signing up, you have to tell whether you are a teacher or a student, and you can sign up easily with Google account. Now once you use your Gmail or Google account, you will get a separate class on edpuzzle. Like I have got my class here on edpuzzle. So this is a class with video content in it. Now I can add my content in this particular class and share with my students either through Google Classroom or through directly the edpuzzle class. Now I have to have my content added in the class. So how will I add the content? You'll have to click on my content, and here you get a tab for adding the content. When you click on the tab add content, you get 4 choices: create a video, upload a video, student project, and new folder. You can create a new video using the videos which are already present in edpuzzle or in YouTube. You can upload your own video also. You can save your students' videos in other projects, and you can create folders as per your classes. I'll click on create a video. Now when I click on create a video, I get different videos which are already present in the edpuzzle library. I can also see YouTube videos here. To get the videos of our choice, we have to go to edpuzzle search, where you type your search. Like I am typing the search on force, and when I go on search, I'll get different videos which are present in edpuzzle related to force. Even YouTube videos which are related to force will be seen here. And then I can select the required video from this. So which are already present, these videos are already present in edpuzzle, we can edit them. I have already taken one video for the demonstration. This is parts of flower. Now this is the video which is taken from edpuzzle itself, and these are the other videos which I have uploaded from my PC. So either ways you can have your video here which you are going to show to the students. Now what we are going to do with this video? We will click on that video, and here you get 4 choices: assign, edit, duplicate, and delete. You can assign this video to your students. You can assign this as a task to your students so that they will see this video. You can edit this video. You can make a duplicate copy of this, and you can delete also. We are going to study how you can edit this video. And after editing, you will assign it to your students. We will edit. On the tab edit, we will click to get 3 choices: cut, voiceover, and question. Now cut gives me a chance to cut the video. I can cut or slice the video from the required position.
They're important in making scenes. Therefore,
I have to decide from where I am going to cut, and accordingly I'll make this selection. Okay, accordingly I'll make this selection, and then I will cut the video. Alright, and then I'll cut the video. Add cut. Alright, so I'll cut the video. Initial 6 seconds part is been cut. Alright, the second choice is voiceover. Now this gives me a chance to record my own narration. Many times it happens that we don't want the narrator to give his own narration. We want our narration, our explanation. Mostly it happens when we want to explain in our mother tongue or other languages. Mostly the YouTube videos are in English, and if you want to explain in Marathi or Gujarati, you can start your own recording. But before doing that recording, go through the content of the video properly, see how it is coming, what is the sequence of the content, prepare your own narration, and then only record your narration. You can convert that English narration into your own narration, and that's how you can give voice over to the content. The third tab is questions. Here you can add question. Here you can edit or add question. What you have to do is you will play the video
They are the reproductive parts of a plant.
and you will stop the video where you want. Say I want the question to be added here. Now I already written one question here. Okay.
Ding ding is the
Suppose
male part of
I want
a flower.
I want to add a question here. Okay, where the explanation about male part of the flower, that is stamen, was there. I want to add a question here. Alright, so what I'll do, I'll go to multiple choice question. Here I have got three choices: multiple choice question, open-ended question, and node. First, let us see how multiple choice question can be asked. What you have to do, it's very interactive. It is telling you type your multiple choice question here. You will write the question here, which is the male reproductive part. And then I'll write the choices. Stamen, the other is carpel. Suppose you have third choice, you can add another answer. If you do not have, you may not. You can keep on adding, you can add the choices. And when you click on save, your question will be automatically saved. It will be seen like this. Your students will be seeing this question here, multiple choice question, which is the male reproductive part, stamen and carpel. And unless they answer the correct question, they cannot continue. So this is how your video becomes interactive. It is not simply a video of 10 minutes, but it will be asking questions to the students in between. Suppose at this particular point, I want to give some instruction. I can add note. Okay, some part which was not there in the video, some part which was not explained in the video can be added here in the form of a note. The note can be written here as the sepals and petals are non-reproductive parts. All right. And I save it. So here at this particular point, I'll get a note. The students will get a note like this: the sepals and petals are non-reproductive part. This is a part which has not been explained in the video, which I have added. I can keep on doing this.
Petal is the colored part.
For your information or for your understanding, I have added quite a few multiple choice questions and open-ended questions. When you are done with all this, when you keep on adding the questions and all, at the end you will click on finish. And once you finish, you will get the video. You can see those dots here. So at those points, there will be some pop-ups which are coming. Now closely observe this.
They're important in making seeds. Therefore, they are the reproductive parts of a plant. Let's learn about their parts.
Now see, the video has paused. Automatically it has paused and it's asking a question, which is the reproductive part of the flower. It should be plant. When the student will click on flower and submit, then only he will go ahead. See the 100 out of 100. So students will feel happy. They're getting marks. Now they will continue.
Sting is the male part of a flower. And
so immediately after stamen, again a question has come, right? If you want, you can skip the question and go ahead.
As the
You
female
can
part
have
of the
settings telling the students to opt for all the questions also, right? Likewise, you can go on adding the content, and at the end you will see this video. You will see this video with a link here. Now when we have finished, it has created a link. This link can be shared with your student, or you can assign this video to your students. You can assign it to the class. You can create a public link. You can create this public link, copy this link and put it on WhatsApp or in Google Classroom or wherever you want, and send it to your students. This is how you can create a video, an interactive video with your own voiceover and your own questions which are intermingled in the video. That's how the interaction with the video with students is more effective. Thank you.